Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Uh, my name is John. Usually, what we do on this channel is all about looking for promotion, savings, discounted items, stuff like that. So, in this video, we're going to be looking at the widget and what they have. Currently, they're having a 40% discount on all of them, 40 to 50%. And they also have the free shipping as well, so which is excellent. So as you can see here, it is 18-volt lithium 4 amp battery. Regular price $50. Now it's only $29.99. And if you like this subcompact, regular price $179. Now it's $107, which is excellent. So this is the bad boys. This is the newest one that they have, and supposedly this is the one that they replaced the Octane versions. With the Octane, they had a 9 amp, but this one an 8 amp. And this one, the regular price is $179. And now you can get it for 107, which is good. Because currently at Home Depot they're selling for $199. Same type of battery, uh, just at a regular price. So when you buy rigid uh, and it has factory blemish, what it means is, for me, as far as for me, I bought a lot from this company, and I have not had any issue with registering within the 90 days, so I can get the lifetime service agreement. Okay, and all this time, that the packages that I receive are like retail packaging. It's not even open, not none of that stuff. It's like brand new. Not sure why they mark it as factory blemish. Maybe that way so they can sell it at a little bit lower price. I don't know. But if you're in the market for rigid battery or rigid tools, this is one of the sites that I always go to look for batteries. And reason why I pick rigid over DeWalt in Milwaukee because I'm not a heavy user. I just do it around the house. Sometimes I do maintenance in the car, stuff like that. So I'm not really at a professional level where I need to pay like a lot higher uh, prices for like DeWalt and Milwaukee. I do own DeWalt, but most of the items that I have are just plain rigid because of the lifetime service agreement. So as we go down the list, you see there's a lot of things if you're interested. All factory blenders, meaning that you can register within the 90 days, and they'll take the invoice directly from the email, then you just upload it to the rigid website, and they'll take that. And sometimes if it doesn't, if it take a while for them to activate your LSA, you can just either use chat or email them, and they'll expedite it for you, and they make sure that it's active. Um, no, I have not had any issues. So here with batteries, you can see quite a bit. 149, $1877. This is good. This is the HMO, the impact. I have one of these, and let me tell you, if you watch my older videos where I used this to remove the Acra RL wheel, it was like butter. So this thing is a beast. And with these things, you don't have to loosen the lug nuts while the car is on the floor or on the ground and then raise it up and then loosen. This one, you can just lift it all up and then just use the impact wrench and loosen all the lug nuts at the same time if you wish. Really good, really nice. 4.5 angle grinder, not bad. A lot of savings. Factory blemish. This thing is good too. $60 for you get dual charges simultaneously. This is a good deal. I might look into this. Mm, stand. I have this. Yeah, so that's pretty much it for this video. So if you guys want or looking for rigid stuff and it's on sale, and again the promotion is free. I think January free ship. If that's the code when you get to the home page of it, I'll put the link in the description so that way I make it easy for you guys. But once again, if you guys like the channel, you like the savings, or the channel has helped you save some money here and there, feel free to give it a like and make sure you and please subscribe. It's gonna help me out a lot. Other than that, thank you very much and take care. And I'll see you guys in the next video.